If you've ever taken your car into the mechanic, you've probably at one point or another heard someone talk to you about rotating your tires and adjusting your alignment. But what does alignment even mean when it comes to talking about your car? Alignment refers to the angle of your suspension to affect how your tires touch the road. While it might not seem super important, alignment can have a huge effect on how your ride handles. Does it drift to the left? Maybe it sways back and forth, or the steering wheel feels too loose. These can all be related to bad alignment, and not to mention that uneven and excessive wear it can put on your tires and fuel economy. There are three elements to alignment. First up is camber. Camber is the angle of each wheel in relation to the road, specifically how much inward and outward tilt each tire has when the wheels are pointed straight ahead. It can be positive camber, top is pointed out further than to the bottom, negative, bottom pointed out further than the top, or zero camber, which is straight up and down. Zero camber gives you the highest possible contact patch with the road surface. Next is toe. Toe angle is the direction the tires are pointed in relation to the vehicle center line, meaning when you look head on at the car, are the tires toe in or toe out? Toe in helps reduce oversteering, while toe out helps reduce understeering. Finally, you have caster. Caster is the relationship between the tire, the axis, and the pivot point. Meaning, is the tire in line with the axis, in front of it, or behind it? It does not affect tire wear, but the caster does have an influence on the directional control of the steering. So now you understand what alignment is and how it affects your vehicle. Keep in mind, another way to help increase the quality of your ride and fuel economy is by trying our Hot Shot Secret products.